Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this quick and easy pom-pom heels. And to make this DIY, here's what you need: shoes, pom-poms, and glue gun. So the first thing I'm going to do is, what I did was I actually separated the colors and then I started arranging it on the shoes. So I decided to do the pom-poms on the ankle straps as well. So when it's all done, all you have to do is use your first shoe as a reference to do the second one and you're all set. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.